Karen and this is
Mark,
and we're going to show you around our new property adventure. It's a 1960s property that we've bought, and we're going to take you through and show you the before and show you our journey. So we're going to take you through the house and have a look now.
it's a two-bed semi-detached house in Whitstable, close to the beach and close to the railway station. So let's go and let's take you on a look round. Just you can see the old house where we used to live in before, and here is the new project, the two-bedroom semi-detached house in Whitstable, Kent. Is our dog
Tia,
in the way?
good Tia, you're going to your new home.
Go through, and we've got double glazed windows. Obviously it has got central heating. It's quite a long room. It's about 23 foot long, about 12 foot wide. We will be taking out the fireplace and putting in an inset TV fire, taking out this door. I think at this moment we're going to knock through and take this door off here and this window, take it straight down. And this is the little tiny extension bit on the back, and then we go out to the garden and show you the garden. It's roughly about 35 foot long and it's about 25 foot wide. So far we've put a gazebo up to put a few tools and bits and pieces while we're renovating.
Tidy up all this mess.
Yeah, and tidy out this mess.
Get organised.
And then Karen can show you in here. We've got a little...
This is the kitchen. As you see, we can't use it because it'll all be ripped out. So we put all our kitchen stuff in boxes. And we haven't even got a fridge here at the moment. So most important thing, we've got a kettle. And then what we're going to do, we're going to knock this wall today. We're going to knock this wall out. Well, Mark's going to knock this wall out.
That's day one, is to knock the wall down. Yeah. Hopefully we're going to knock this wall down and block this wall up here, this part here. We've got this beam. We're going to put a wall there and have an American fridge freezer in this part going into there, blocking the rest off. Then we're going to open that up right through to the other side, which is this side here, and then put French doors probably on the back so it'll be nice and light, and take this out so it's sort of flowing. And then
this bit we're going to make into a little office for you, aren't we?
This part, yeah, we're going to make into some point here an office, and maybe if we can squeeze it in, downstairs toilet in that part there. We'll take you upstairs. Which is sort of standard, 2 up, 2 down really. Got a
the toilet, I think we're going to...
bathroom needs a little bit of TLC, as you can see there. But obviously we're going to take this all out and change this around. We've got a back bedroom, which is about 12 foot square.
Quite nice sized bedrooms, aren't they?
Yeah, quite nice sized bedrooms.
And then
we're looking out, we've got railway line out there.
That's where the trains go past, right next, good for
train spotters
to London.
Yeah, if you want to commute to London, this is the ideal place to buy it. We will be doing a complete breakdown of how much this cost, how much we're spending, and how much we hope to put it up for sale once we've finished. Obviously we're going to do daily vlogs of what we're doing each day and how we're doing it, and costs and ways, and hopefully you'll learn and watch as we fail.
Also, it'd be good for people to give us ideas as well.
Yeah, we want ideas as well from people.
Better ideas than us.
So here's the first bit. We're not deciding whether to put an extension on the top of this flat roof at the moment.
Yeah.
But when we put an extension on the top of here, we may have to put access through this wall here. Which means we're going to lose a bit of size of bedroom, and then obviously we've got no window for this bedroom, so we're juggling it around at the moment. It's a thought. So
go through this bit.
Yeah, we may have to go through there into that front room and partition this across. But again, these are all ideas we're thinking about. So that's it on the first bit. So we'd love you to comment below. So we've got a little question to ask you: is Do we take out this hedge at the front or not? So I'll just show you the hedge. So the first question is, this hedge along here, we're not sure what it is, but do we take it out? If so, what would you suggest we put in its place? A brick wall, a little tiny wooden picket fence wall? So comments below, please.